Alright guys, I'm back on the map Baghdad at SC Village. In this game there are two ways to be revived. You can either be revived by a medic by him just tapping on the shoulder, or you can take the 2-minute bleed out and walk back to respawn. Hit! Medic! Medic!
You're going to floor, dude.
Medic! Run! Let's go, let's go.
You good?
You good? Medic, get him.
Alright, get him.
Oh, fuck. No, we're good, I'm good.
That guy keeps me out right there.
Hit!
Move right.
How is he not hit?
Alright, now I'm with you. Medic.
Another rule I almost forgot to mention is that any of your teammates can drag you over to a medic to be revived. Those guys dead?
Pass. Yo, I'm gonna go save those guys right there.
Alright, who?
I'll go with you, I'll go over there. I'll go to you. 3, 2, 1, go! Friendly.
Yeah.
Let's move far to the right. Come on. Medic!
Oh, hit! Here in the video when
You
me and
hit
my
too?
brother get hit, we end up bleeding out after 2 minutes and we just walk back to base to respawn.
Hit! Where is...
You down?
Yeah.
Where's the other medic?
Shit, my bad.
I got this. Kevin! What?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Kevin, I'm in the bus to your left.
Are you by?
I'm in the bus to your left.
You watch them up there.
I'm not sure. They're a few behind this wall, but we can't really see them from here.
Opposite bus.
Hit! Medic!
Get in the bus. Go back here. 1, 2, 3,
Oh.
4, 5.
Alright, good. No worries.
Got one.
I'm going with medic.
He's peeking out a little.
Who? Thunder B. Is that our medic? No, that's their medic. Alright, no what? I have to go. That's their medic, right?
Medic! Medic!
Ah. Hit! Medic! Yo, I just sorry.
Medic! Medic!
Medic! Alright guys, so here round 1 ended, so we just swap sides and get ready for round 2. Left side! They're behind some cars.
Where are they?
Behind some cars.
Behind those cars. Where you at? Over.
I'm mid map.
You're right.
I see you. Is there anything right? Nah. You dead? Ah, hit! Every time I end up getting hit here in round 2, I just end out bleeding out, so I just walk back to respawn. Where are you at, Kevin? I'm gonna help you revive some people. Over.
Get on the bus!
Kevin, where are you?
Out, I'm on the left side.
Ah, you're up there. Yeah, I thought our team had that.
Hey, watch left side, watch left side.
Peek out, come on.
Medic!
There you go.
Fucking hit you, cunt.
I'm one nice guy. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and see ya.